Say what you will about WeatherTech. Their shipping boxes are extremely sturdy. You'd better hope that there's nothing wrong, because you're going to either get another box or a lot of shipping tape if you got to send it back. Okay, now you see that you got the rear windows, deflectors, and the fronts, and they're both marked left and right. You start by wrapping a clean microfiber cloth around the installation tool and get the dirt and crud out of the channel. Then you're going to want to wipe off the top of the window. You come over about 2 inches and you got to pull down the weather strip to insert some clips. Now here's Cassie's pro tip. Only use the tool to get it started. Then get your finger in there to pull it farther away. The U-shaped part of the clip goes up in the channel, and the little flange sticks on the outside of the weather stripping. Then take your installation tool and push everything up in place. Now the back deflectors do come with tape, and they're a pretty straightforward fit because they're not that long. There is a little bending to get them up in the channel, but it's not too bad. This is now the tricky part. You have to hold it up and get your finger out of the way. So I put the window down a little bit, then I started pushing up on again to make sure they get seated in the channel. But you know what? Another pair of hands would have been helpful. Gee, thanks, Sandy. I appreciate your offer. Okay, there you are. And basically the front's the same. Take the installation tool, wrap it in a rag, clean out the channel. Yeah, just like that. And then wipe off the top of the glass. Now the fronts can be a little tricky. You start at the front of the window, making sure that the deflector sits on top of the window frame. Then you come around back, and it's polycarbonate, not glass. You're not going to break it. And then you just kind of finagle it up in there, but where you can't see for my dog hair covered back, it still sticks out a little bit. So there's a little bit of finagling. It will fit. It just takes it a couple of seconds. But once it's in, it's in. No tape on the front deflectors. You just use the installation tool to make sure that the weather stripping is all back in place. And now to seat it, you want to pulse your window up slowly. There you go. That's it, in place.